In this question, we are given 4 different functions and we have to check which of the following are non-periodic. So in option A, fx is given as box x plus 1. If fx is periodic, f of t plus x equal to f of x for all x belongs to domain of f where t is some positive number. Therefore, box t plus x plus 1 equal to box x plus 1. It means box t plus x plus 1 equal to box x plus 1. It means box t plus x must be equal to box x. But it can't be true for all x belongs to real number for any positive value of t. So therefore fx equal box x plus 1 is non-periodic. Non-periodic. Now we'll go for option B. In option B we are having fx equal to sin x square. In option B we are having fx equal sin x square. Now again, if fx is periodic, then we'll check f of t plus x equal to f of x for some t positive. If we'll apply this on this fx, we'll get sin t plus x whole square equal sin x square. It gives us sin t plus x whole square minus sin x square equal 0. Using formula sin c minus sin d, we will get 2 cos c plus d by 2 and sin c minus d by 2. Equal to 0. Either we will have cos this angle equal 0 or sin this angle equal 0. So we will have t plus x whole square plus x square upon 2 equal to 2n pi, 2n plus 1 pi by 2, or we can write t plus x whole square plus x square equal to odd pi. But we can't get t positive independent of x. So here we cannot obtain any t positive value for which we can have a value of t which is independent of x. Again, if we take this quantity is 0, then t plus x whole square minus x square divided by 2 must be equal to n pi. Therefore, t square plus 2tx equal to 2n pi. Again, we can't get any positive value of t for which this is true, which is independent of x. Therefore, we cannot able to have a positive value of t for which this relation becomes true for all values of x. Therefore, we can say that sin x square is non-periodic function. Now we'll go for option C. In option C, fx is given as sin square x, which can be written as half of 1 minus cos 2x. And we know that cos 2x is a periodic function. It is periodic. with fundamental period pi, since f of pi plus x equal f of x for all x belongs to domain of f, which is set of all real number. And finally, if we go for option D, in option D we are having fx equal sine inverse x. We can say directly that it is non-periodic because fx is monotonically increasing. Fx is monotonically increasing. Therefore, fx can't be periodic function. So, in 4 options, option A, B, C and D, we can see clearly that only option C gives us a periodic function. Rest all the given functions in the other option are non-periodic function. So that's the required answer. Required answer is option C. Option C is periodic and rest all A, B and D are non-periodic function.